Divas, I have another unwrapping for you from a budget company, and I really love these, the two on top here. I really love this container. They're so much fun to make. There are two of those boxes that unfold. I don't have these styles. This one is a mandala, and I'll get it out of the bag for you. It looks like there are 12 colors of gems in this. Okay. And it unfolds like that. And it has a hard thing for the bottom. It should have, yes, it does. It has the toolkit and a plastic tweezers for the gems. Okay. And it's got round gems, and it looks like there are teardrop shapes, and there are two sizes of gems in here. Nice. Okay. 12 in all. I'm going to put this right in here so I know which one it is. And yes, I know I haven't told you the company yet. I'll put it right down below because I have to look in my records. Silly me. Okay, so that's that one. That's a good evening project. Okay. And I got a second one. And I haven't done one like this before either. It is a landscape scene. Yep. So let me get this one out of the bag. Here it is. It's pretty. It's like a spring scene. No, not Springsteen, spring scene. Okay. It's got the hardcore for the bottom in here. It should have. It does not. Oh, gee. It's got a plastic bottom, though. I'm going to have to talk to them about that being missing. Again, a kit. And these are round drills of various shades. Okay. That's fine, but oh, never mind, people. I think I found it. Yep, I found the bottom. No need to panic. No need to panic. That's there. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 6 of these little goodies. So let's look into here. I took the time to cut a slit across so that I know it wouldn't take much time to open them for you. Oh, this is pretty. This is a beach scene. It is a partial. This plastic is just not over the edge that it's not sticky. It's like an ocean scene, obviously. What I'm going to do to get the wrinkles out of it is I'm going to put it under some weight and flatten it out before I start, because these wrinkles are going to stay in it, and I really don't want to iron it. I don't iron things anymore, because I have to. But you could sprinkle the back with some water and then put it underneath something flat and heavy. And that'll straighten it out nice and straight. Okay, it does come with the basic kit, which we don't need, and round drills. Very nice color. It is doesn't say a size on here, it is a partial, and it's got 12 different colors on it. Okay. This should give you a hint about where I'm going to go on vacation, where we're going to go on a cruise. Yep, I'm planning a cruise for a vacation. And I don't know which cruise yet. I know I'm going on Royal Caribbean, because I just absolutely, my first cruise was a Royal Caribbean, and I can't wait to do another one. So, and it's my mom's 80th birthday. It was this month in May. So, I'm looking forward to taking her with me as a birthday gift. Now, here. Well, that's because my husband doesn't want to go. So, that's just the way it is. He doesn't want to go. Alright, this is beautiful. This is a moon 30 by 40. It is a moon over some water. I don't know what I'm going to see out my cabin window or balcony, whichever I decide to get, but isn't that nice? It's got 24 colors. It is a round turquoise and purples and oranges. Oh, the colors are just mesmerizing. It's a lot of confetti, people. But you know me, I like confetti, so that's good. I think I'm getting in a vacation mood. I am ready for a vacation. Alright. Another one from this company. Oh, very beautiful. I love the colors in this one too. Well, that's why I get them anyway. I love the color. This is an iris, I think, or a stylized iris, like a wildflower. 24 colors. They're not very easy to tell apart because they have, you know, you have to get right up and close to them. I think this is the little insect, a couple little insects coming from them. Basic kit. Round drills. These are individually packed. I like that a lot. Very nice, the colors and everything. Nice sticky canvas. 30 by 40 snack size. Okay. We have 3 more to go. More to go. Let's see. Again, this is a budget company, so you might want to order from. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is like a bedroom window. It's looking at the mountains outside of a bedroom window. The garden in the foreground, the vase of flowers, and then it looks like mountains in the background. I remember looking at the Grand Tetons this way when I was a girl. Again, 22 colors. All letters. And the drills are blues and browns. Basic kit. Very nice. Roll it the other way. There we go. 2 more. Thank you for joining me on this. I really enjoy sharing these things with you. Okay, this one says T. It looks like a Mary Engelbright almost. This has got the checkered pattern around the outside. Again, 22 colors. Beautiful. Pansies on the bottom. It says T on the cup. Basic kit. And round drills. Browns and purples and blues. And 1 more to go. Oh yes, this one is a gem drill. It's birds on a branch. Sorry about that. And basic kit. And round gems of different colors. This is going to be pretty. It looks like a rainbow sunrise or sunset on it. Really beautiful, really sparkly. Alright. Okay, so thank you for joining me for this unwrapping today of some fun new designs. Every once in a while I go back to the old, well, old for me I guess, back to the Chinese companies and see if they've got anything new. So thank you for joining me for this unwrapping, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day to come. Keep sparkling. Bye, Divas.